As UAE pushes towards sustainable mobility, one big question in every fleet owner's mind is, do we stick to a diesel truck or should we switch to an electric truck? Let's break down the real cost comparison between two. Not just purchase price but monthly operating expenses, charging infrastructure and maintenance difference. Electric trucks are cleaner, quieter but costlier upfront. It costs higher because of its advanced battery system, but over time it cost often lowers because of its running expense. Charging cost depends on the speed of the charger. If slower charger, it is 0.70 dirhams per kilowatt. If faster charger, it is 1.20 dirhams per kilowatt. Dubai is already EV ready. The Dubai Electricity and Water Authority has already deployed 400 plus EV green charging stations and 740 plus charging points across the cities. Electric truck means low maintenance, no oil change, fewer moving parts and also low maintenance. Diesel truck means lower entry cost but higher monthly burn. Let's know why. First, the cost. Diesel trucks are more affordable, making them attractive for small operators. Secondly, the fuel cost fluctuates and it costs 0.35 dirhams per kilometer, which is costlier than the electric truck. As you know, diesel trucks should be maintained. Frequent oil and filter changes are required, regular servicing and high long-term maintenance bills. Now let's look at a charge for monthly cost comparison for 5,000 kilometers. You will understand better. Let's compare electric and diesel truck. For energy and fuel, electric truck will cost 1050 dirhams based on 0.7 dirhams kilowatt and 3 kilowatt for 10 kilometers. For diesel truck, it will cost around 1750 dirhams based on 0.35 dirhams per kilometer. The maintenance comes for electric truck is 300 dirhams. For diesel truck, it will cost you around 600 dirhams. So the total for electric truck is 1350 dirhams. And for diesel truck, it will come across 2350 dirhams. So what is a smart choice? If you are a long-term operator, you can choose electric truck. It costs less to run, it is environmental friendly and requires less times for service maintenance and align with the UAE push for green transport. But if you are just starting out, diesel truck will be a budget-friendly option, but it comes with a recurring cost. The UAE is clearly building the future of logistics around electric mobility. From expanding EV infrastructure to pushing smart fleet tech, the message is clear. Diesel is fading and EV is rising. So let us know in the comments what you would choose as a smart financial move. Thank you for watching.